Okay, this is just a short demonstration to show us using the Aero Kontiki to pick up 4 kgs, like two 2-liter drink bottles there, and it's attached to the tow bar of the Aero Kontiki. So we'll just lift it up and show that it's able to hold it for a while, and then show it's able to release it. So let's try this. Come this side. Okay, can you?
Initializing APM.
System on.
Here it goes. Have a look at the display. Just look at the currents. There's 105 amps. It's all holding steady. I'll just show it releasing. Hang on, make it a bit better. There. And that's the simple demonstration, lifting 4 kgs. Thank you.